videos, movies, and vlogs. How the hell is everybody? And today is another vlog video here. I am out in on the Colorado River. I am in the state of Arizona right now with Dad, even though I don't know where the hell he went. What do you call? Well, I'm in the state of Arizona, but I'm not that far from Las Vegas. I'm like less than an hour away. I'm on the Arizona side of the Hoover Dam, so still technically in the state of Arizona, I guess. But I'm out here kayaking. I kayaked from there all the way to here without tipping over, surprisingly. So yeah, it's actually fun. I would definitely recommend anyone come out here and try this out. But yeah, this has to show a little vlog of, oh, there's Dad.